Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to resize and crop images in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to do basic editing to your image in Google Docs, then you simply need to click on the Insert tab to insert the image. Here you need to select the destination from where you want to add image. Like if your image is on your computer, then you need to select upload from computer. I want to insert image from my Google Drive, so I will select drive. Now here select the image and click on insert. Now to resize this image, you need to select the image and you can simply resize it by dragging from the corner. Now you can also crop the image. For that you need to select the image and click on this crop tool icon, and after that you need to drag the edges. Now after selecting the crop area, you need to right click on the image and here click on crop image. Now your image is cropped. Now if you want to give a accurate size to this image, then you simply need to right click on the image and here click on image options. Now you will find some options on the right side corner of the screen. Here you need to click on size and rotation. Now here you can give the accurate size to your image. Like I want this image width of 4 centimeter. You can also rotate this image. Also you can recolor the image. There are various options. You can also grayscale the image. So friends, like this you can play around and do basic editing to your image in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.